Hey you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Back to share with you guys what I got for Christmas, mainly from my mom, which I'm pretty surprised because I haven't been getting nail polish. The last year she did, but the couple years before I haven't been getting polish, so I was quite surprised to get almost all nail polish from her this year. She got me this cute little ornament with all this cute little sequins glitter in the inside. I'm gonna keep this for next year and put something inside it and hang it on the tree. But as you can see in the inside, it has two mini nail polishes. One is a glitter and then one is a shimmer, and this was at Macy's. She got it for $2.99. I don't know, the name is covered up by the sticker, but the shimmery polish is really pretty. Can't really tell through its lighting. And then the next set she got me is called Simple Pleasures, and it's a nail polish and chips decoration kit. It says Sparkle Chic, and as you can see, it comes with a polish and some little glitter with each polish. So there's a red polish with the gold. That was like, this is like a light pink with the colorful glitters. And this is actually like a charcoal shimmery grayish blackish with some pretty hollow sequins in the inside. And I really like this. And she found this kit for $3.99 also at Macy's. And then these are not polishes, but I'm kneeling down on my floor because my table is so dirty. But these are actually perfumes. I'm gonna shake this. And she found this kit for $3.99 also at Macy's. And then these are not polishes, but I'm kneeling down on my floor because my table is so dirty. But these are actually perfumes. I'm gonna shake them. Ooh, look at that prettiness going on. And they have pretty glitter on the inside. Let me take one out. So if you can see, the inside has glitter, and they're all different scents. I don't know, let me see if I can see the names. So this one is Pomegranate Cassis. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This one is Sandalwood Vanilla. And this one is Blackberry Jasmine. But aren't those so cute? The glitter doesn't spray out. Ooh. It's just decoration. I don't know if I can get the top off. I'll show y'all. Let's see. Oh, Jesus. Oh, a twist, huh? So, yeah, it's a little roll-on perfume, and they actually smell good. It's a really nice, light, soft scent, like perfect for after shower. And when I was opening this one, I tore the top of it off, so I don't know. Is the name in here? Oh, they're Fragrance Simple Pleasures Fragrance Body Oils, and these were also at Macy's for $6.99. So yeah, that is what I got for Christmas. You guys be sure to share in the comments if you guys got any nail polish for Christmas, and if you did, what did you get or how many did you get. Please remember to subscribe, leave the video a thumbs up. See y'all in the next video.